Alrighty, it is breakfast time, just about 11 o'clock. We're gonna fry some sausage. We got some ham diced up. We got 3 jumbo eggs. We got butter and we got some cheese. I was gonna do an omelet, but this pan is really not great for doing omelets. It's not large enough for the way I do omelets. So I'm just gonna do a scramble. So I'm gonna take my my sausage, fry that up, take it out, dice it up, throw in the ham, get that, you know, a little bit of color, a little bit of heat on it. You know, just bring out some of the sweetness in the ham. Just a little taste test for the chef. Throw my eggs in, scramble those up. Right before they're really fully set, I'm gonna throw in some cheese, scramble that up, and that'll be my meal. High fat, a little bit of fat, more protein. Fat and protein, fat. Ketogenic diet, I have absolutely zero problem with that. I got me a thing of ice water here. I have Powerades to drink, which, you know, and then also I'll do my vitamins and minerals and supplements along with that, and we will be good for the day. All right, frying up our sausage. I mean, a $10 Walmart hot plate. I mean, you already got a refrigerator down here. I mean, most trucks have refrigerators. You know, or you have the ability to put in a refrigerator, or, you know, or have a electric, you know, 12 volt cooler. You know, that'll be your refrigerator. Yep, little guys try to escape. So once we get this sausage cooked through, I said we'll take it out. Well, no, not even gonna bother taking it out. The hell with that, because I cut it up already. Once that's done, we're gonna throw in a bit of ham, and we're gonna need a little bit more fat for the pan, so we're gonna throw in some butter. I mean, yes, I would like some toast with this, but not gonna happen. Turn that around. But, like I said, next we're gonna throw in our ham, throw our eggs on top, and then throw a couple pieces of American cheese on there. Yes, I know it's cheese food. They had a big stink about it many decades ago. It's not cheese, it's a processed product, so blah, blah, blah. So they call it cheese food. It's American cheese. You know, we all know what it is. But we're gonna, you know, make that up, get everything put together, and that'll be our breakfast. All right, we got our ham heating up, getting all tasty. And notice no potatoes in here. Gonna be as keto as possible with this. We do have dirty dishes we gotta go wash. There and there. That's my trash bag I'm using for what I'm doing right now. Our eggs are ready. Our cheese is ready. Our bowl and fork are ready. We're just waiting for that to sizzle up a little bit more. I hope you can hear that. That's the sound of a good morning breakfast right there. Well, it's going to be closer to lunch, but you know, it's Sunday. Sunday you eat a little bit later. But as soon as that you start the ham starts to get a little bit of color, I mean a little bit, tiny bit here and there, but a little bit more color on the ham. Sausage is already cooked through. Just getting a little bit of a crispy edge on it, which I like. We're gonna throw in our eggs. Once those are pretty much near done, I mean, this bowl's gonna be overflowing. I think this bowl's gonna overflow a little bit. But hey, I got no problem with that. All right, we got our eggs in there, we got our cheese in there. Things are going good, baby. So let that heat up a little bit. Finish cooking the eggs. This is not gourmet by any standard, but it is good enough. And it's that easy to cook in a truck. A $10 pan, well, $15, $20 pan. It's one of the, it's a non-stick ceramic pan, so, you know, I'm not a big fan of Teflon. Teflon just wears out too easy. Becomes a problem after, you know, once you get a scratch or two on it. But, you know, let's say $20 pan, $10, you know, hot plate, bowl and fork, not paper, not a plastic fork, you know, real utensils. You know, take your time, make something good, make something healthy, make something that you want to eat, not just at what's there at the truck stop, up to somebody else's whims. You know, they can't even add salt to stuff because they're so afraid of somebody, you know, complaining about salt. Ooh, there's fat in it. Oh my God. So that's a simple, you know, keto-friendly breakfast. Fat, a little bit of protein, eggs. The choline in there is going to help your liver, help you, you know, be healthier. All the nutrients and other, you know, biochemicals that are in there. It's going to help your body be healthy, be strong. Lay off the sugar, lay off the carbs, lay off the other stuff that you do, and you're going to get better.